Hey guys, so today I have got this month's Witchbox to show you, and for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box but they do post it worldwide. They've just had to put the prices up a little bit lately, so it's now £32 to the UK, £36 to Europe and £40 to the rest of the world. That does include shipping, and for all the new subscribers I've also got a 10% off code which is NEWWITCH10%, so I'll put that here on the screen now and down below in the description as well in case any of you want to go and check them out. But we are just going to open this and show you what is in here. So I haven't opened it yet, we are literally opening it together, and this one is the May box. So right on the top we have our little booklet. It usually tells you the theme for the month, and then inside it has more information or instructions on the items if you need it. So this May box's theme is tarot, and it says the use of tarot cards dates back to the late 14th century when they were used as a game, apparently. It also says at the bottom it's vegetarian and cruelty free, so just in case anyone wondered. And that is the little booklet. So it's very colourful in here this month. We've got really cute little pink, black and blue worms. I feel like we don't usually get those. It's not coloured ones anyway. We might get some black ones, but I like those cute little coloured ones. So the first thing we have right on the top is a very big item already. It's a blue metal bottle. So this is like a little drinks bottle, like an insulated one. These keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. I love these. I use these every single day. I've got them in cup form, bottle form, all different kinds. If you put ice in them, it literally stays ice all day in summer. It's amazing. So this one is, like I said, like a navy blue, and it's got the sun card on the front there. Hopefully you can see that. So that's a pretty cool first item, a little drinks bottle. Then next we have a pouch which says tarot readings on the front, little velvety pouch with cute little tassels, very fancy. And in here, oh, there is actually some tarot cards, I think. Yeah, cute, like a little mini deck. So they are black and white on the back, and then all very colourful cards on the front. So we have the Fool, the Hermit, Tower, Star, all different ones of those in this really cute little pouch. Next we have some incense cones. So this is 15 incense cones, red rose, and it says the lovers on the front, so it's got a card design there again. It says the lovers meaning is partnerships, duality and union, and it's also got this little wooden circle coming out of it as well with a metal bit on it. This is obviously a little stand to put your cones on, which is so cute, so that it doesn't burn whatever surface you have them on. So that is our incense cones. So next we have our little crystal or gemstone for the month, and this one is a pink agate. Now I said agate last time I got one of these and everyone told me that it was agate, so that is what I'm going to say now. It's very pretty. It's lots of different tones of pink. We've got a dark pink up the top, and then more of a pale pink near the bottom in different stripes and things like that. And our little information card says pink agate has a long history and has been used by many civilizations for its protective and healing properties. The Babylonians placed it around their home to dispel negative energy. The Chinese believed it could offer spiritual protection, and in the Middle East it was used to remove effects of the evil eye. It's also mentioned in the Bible, where it's said to adorn Aaron's breastplate. Today, pink agate is used to ward off negativity from the spiritual and the living realm. It can be used to promote emotional healing, friendship and ease anger. It can balance the emotions and ease heartache. Hold against the heart to promote the feeling of love or acceptance, using spellwork or place around the home, or wear for protection. So that is our cute little stone that we got. Next we have a little box which says spell kit on it. So I'll open this up. And in here we have some marjoram, which looks like it's got a little crystal in there. We've got a little tea light. We have an incense cone. And we've also got some little instructions in a scroll as well. So I will open these so that you can read them. So this is a spell for courage, apparently. It says, this is a spell to give you courage when facing a difficult situation. The aim is to allow yourself to think calmly, speak clearly, and express yourself cleanly and with purpose. The spell can be worked at any time, but will have added power on a full or waxing moon. So the little chip inside the marjoram is a larima, apparently. And it says you will also need a strength tarot card, which I'm sure is probably in that pouch. So I will hold this up just in case anyone is interested and wants to pause and read it or write it down. Obviously you would have to go and buy the separate things if you didn't get this box at home. But that is our spell for courage. Then next we have a little card which says Celtic Cross Spread on it. So I think this is how to do a certain tarot card spread. It says number 1 is for current situation, number 2 challenge, 3 need to focus on, 4 your past / leaving, 5 is strength, 6 is near future, 7th is advice, 8th is environment, 9th is hope and fears, and 10th is potential outcome. And you put the cards in this specific way when you're laying them out to show those things. So like a little instruction card print. And then we have one last item before the scroll, which is a really cute little necklace. This is the sun. And obviously, as you can see, it's a little golden sun necklace. I will get it out properly in a second. It says, the sun's meaning is joy, success, celebration, and positivity. So I will show you what this looks like out of here. So it's just a little golden chain with a very cute sun on the end of it, like a little pendant. Super cute. And then we've got our scroll, so I will open this up and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is about the 22 major arcana. I'm not going to read them out because there's so many of them, but I will hold this here. Hopefully you was able to see that and I didn't move it too fast. But yeah, that was everything in this month's Witchbox. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little jewellery item, the sun necklace, the Celtic cross spread little art print card that tells you how to do that certain tarot card spread, the 15 incense cones with the little cone holder, the pink agate crystal, the little spell kit for courage, the very cute little tarot card pouch with the cards in there, the blue metal drinks bottle with the star card on the front, and the little scroll as always. So that was everything in this month's Witchbox. I actually thought this one was really cute. The bottle and the cards are definitely my two favourite items. If you know me, you know I don't really love incense sticks or cones or anything, so they're not really for me, but I will definitely be having a proper look at these cards in a little bit. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below in the comments, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.